The scientific prayer, mental psychological treatment. It is not what you believe that hurts you, but you believe was taught in your mind that creates the results. In a specific prayer or therapy, you must know what you are doing and why you are doing it. Be aware that your problem or sickness or whatever it may be must be caused by the negative thoughts charged with fear and lodged in your subconscious mind. You realize that if you can succeed in cleansing your mind of these thoughts, you will get a healing. You therefore turn to the healing power within your subconscious mind. You remind yourself of its infinite power and intelligence and its capacity to heal all conditions. And when you dwell in this truth, your fear will begin to dissolve. The recognition of this truth will battles and ultimately overcomes the erroneous belief. Then you give thanks for the healing that you know will come. And you keep your mind off the difficulty until you feel guided after an interval to pray or meditate again. While you are doing so, you refuse to give any power to the negative condition or to admit for a second that the healing will not come. And this attitude of the mind will bring about the harmonious union of your conscious and the subconscious mind, which release the healing power. Thank you.